It's super important for sure. It's not the first thing you should focus on when you're establishing your e-com business. You want to focus more on direct response marketing, not brand marketing, because that's what's going to get you results. It's going to get you to that predictability level as fast as possible. But brand is definitely important for sure. My take on brand is that you really want to make sure that you are really bring people in and bring them through a very compelling story. And I saw this flash recently, earlier in the episode here. Someone mentioned Story Brand by Donald Miller, which is a great book. I'm actually going through it myself right now. But I would definitely recommend that you really put yourself in the minds of the prospect and move them through a journey. Like, we've been mapping out journeys for years. So when it comes to implementing a journey in your e-commerce business, you really want to make sure that you're covering all the steps. You're going from attention, awareness, to engagement, to subscribe, to conversion, to delivering a great customer experience, to ascension, to advocate, and then promote. Those are the steps of the customer value journey. And you really want to make sure that you have that journey 100% repped in your e-commerce business. So this way, people, when they buy, they remember you, and they also become brand advocates. And on top of that, as a business, you're giving yourself as much opportunity as possible to maximize your customer lifetime value, which in my opinion is the number one metric of every e-commerce business. Besides that, part of the ARM5 formula actually really focuses on brand, because brand is important, especially when it comes to getting the best performance out of your advertising. Early on, when you're first advertising, you don't really need to worry about brand. But once you get to a point where you're spending, there's not a hard figure here, but let's just say that you're spending, $20,000 to $50,000 per month on ads at minimum. Once you get to that point, having brand marketing and direct response marketing as well repped in your ad strategy really makes a big impact. You can't directly measure it necessarily, but once you start doing brand advertising and direct response advertising in the same ad account, you'll see like a difference in your performance. Your performance will raise. You won't see it in like the analytics, how it's happening, but it's just happening. And it's just because of the fact that there's a few different reasons for it. For one, let's just talk about Facebook. And, as some people know, this is a book that I published last year. So Facebook, they want to keep people on the platform. So they award advertisers when advertisers are showing content, not just offer. And so one pillar of the ARM5 formula is creating authority, which is all about creating invaluable content that the market that you're targeting will value and care about. And then you want to also use advertising to get people to go to that content. So you want to create basically like blog articles with hot topics that you've researched that your market cares about. And then you want to amplify that content's attention by using ads to get those people to go to your site and to consume that content. What you're doing when it comes to Facebook, for example, is you are reducing your cost per click, because content ads are always going to be super cheap versus offer ads, 100%. And so that first click now gets reduced quite a bit. Now you're just retargeting to get them to become a lead in the customer. And that's going to reduce your cost per lead and your cost per customer by doing that. And that's a brand play though, because when people get that content and they consume it and they get that value from you and your brand, they're much more receptive to offers you're going to make them in the customer value journey process. So that's what that's my opinion on brand. And then also on top of that, you want to have like a strong voice. You don't want to have a bland, generic voice. If you have opinions, you need to say those opinions, as a brand, and you do want to attract people to you, and you also want to detract.